Hello and welcome to today's lecture on the role of translation in expanding the reach of Philippine literature. In this session, we will explore the importance of translating Filipino works into other languages, the challenges and benefits of translation, and how two iconic Filipino authors like F. Sionel Jose and Lualhati Bautista have contributed to making Philippine literature more globally recognized. And let us begin by understanding why translation matters. So, literature serves as a bridge to culture, ideas, and identity. And through translation, the words and stories of one language can resonate with people from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. Translation, in a sense, is an act of cultural diplomacy that opens doors to new perspectives and fosters a global exchange of ideas. For Philippine literature, translation is especially crucial as it helps bring the unique Filipino experience to a wider and international audience. And let us talk about the importance of translation. So, first, it expands the global reach of Filipino literature. Translation allows Filipino authors to share their work with people outside the Philippines, and without translation, their work would remain largely unknown to international readers. It also bridges cultural gaps and promotes understanding. When you translate literature, you are helping people from different cultures and understand each other. Filipino works can shed light on Filipino culture, values, and history, encouraging empathy and mutual respect. Lastly, it also helps preserve and spread Filipino language and culture. Translation doesn't just bring stories to the world. It also keeps Filipino language and traditions alive. Even if someone reads a translated work in another language, they are still encountering a piece of Filipino culture. Let us also talk about the challenges of translation. First, capturing cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions. So, Filipino literature is full of phrases, expressions, and cultural references that don't easily translate into other languages. Therefore, a translator needs to find ways to keep the essence of these expressions intact while making them understandable in another language. Next is balancing literal accuracy with emotional intent. Translation isn't just about swapping words, it is also about keeping the emotional tone of the original. Sometimes a literal translation doesn't carry the same emotional weight. So, a translator has to find the best way to convey the intended meaning. And then, finding skilled translators who understand both languages and culture. So, translation requires deep knowledge of both the language and the culture. So, a translator has to not only know the language but also understand the cultural context. That is to ensure the work is translated correctly and sensitively. Next is the benefits of translation. So, first, it promotes cultural exchange and global understanding. By translating Filipino literature, we open the door to cultural exchange. Readers from around the world can learn about Filipino culture, history, and issues, which helps build bridges and promote global understanding. And then, it increases international recognition of Filipino writers. Translated works give Filipino authors the chance to be recognized internationally, and writers like F. Sionel Jose and Lualhati Bautista gain an audience beyond the Philippines, contributing to the recognition of Filipino literature on the global stage. And then it provides a platform for social issues to be addressed globally. Many Filipino authors tackle important social issues in their works. Translation brings these issues to the attention of a global audience, sparking conversations and potentially inspiring change worldwide. And let us also talk about F. Sionel Jose as a global voice. So he is one of the most celebrated Filipino author whose works have been translated into multiple languages. And his Rosales Saga, a series of 5 novels, explores themes like social justice, colonialism, and national identity. The Rosales Saga, translated into English, French, Spanish, Japanese, and more. So it is his famous series of novels that has been translated into several languages. This broad reach means his exploration of Philippine society can be understood by readers from various parts of the world. Next is themes of social inequality, colonial legacy, and nationalism. Jose's work addresses complex themes like enduring impact of colonial colonialism on Filipino society, the fight for inequality, and the importance of national identity. These themes resonate universally, making his work important on a global scale. Next is the impact on global discussions about post-colonial identity. Jose's writing contributes to worldwide conversations about post-colonialism and the struggles many countries face in rebuilding their identities after colonial rule. His work helps global readers understand the Filipino experience in this context. Let us also talk about Luwalhati Bautista, a renowned Filipino writer whose works explore themes of feminism, political activism, and gender roles in Philippine society. Her novels like Dekada 70 and Bata Bata Paano Ka Ginawa have been translated into English and other languages, spreading her insights on Filipino family life, social movements, and women's rights. Her works like Dekada 70 and Bata Bata Paano Ka Ginawa have also been translated into several languages. These works give voice to Filipino women's experiences and struggles, which are very important to both local and global audiences. Next is her focus on gender, political resistance, and women's experiences. Bautista's novels explore the challenges women face in a society shaped by patriarchy and as well as the role of women in political movements. Her writing also highlights the complex realities of motherhood, gender roles, and personal identity in the Philippines. Next is international reception and recognition of Filipino women's voices. Her work has received international attention, helping to amplify Filipino women's voices in literature. And by translating her books, the world gets a deeper understanding of the struggles and triumphs of women in the Philippines, contributing to global feminist discourse. Next is translation as a catalyst for change. Literature as a vehicle for social justice and change. So, literature has always played a key role in social change. When translated, these stories can inspire readers to act, raise awareness, or reflect on important social issues. The power of storytelling can drive change by influencing public opinion. And also, translation raises awareness about social issues in the Philippines. So, translating Filipino literature makes social issues in the Philippines known to the world. For example, issues such as poverty, inequality, and the political repression can gain international attention, which might lead to broader support for social justice and also promotes cross cultural solidarity and addressing global struggles. As Filipino authors share their stories through translation, readers from different countries can relate to and empathize with the issues. And this creates opportunities for solidarity and collaborations across cultures in addressing global struggles like inequality, injustice, and human rights violations. And this is the conclusion. First, translation bridges cultural gaps and promotes global recognition. In conclusion, translation helps bring people together by allowing them to understand each other's cultures, perspectives, and struggles. It also increases the global visibility of Filipino literature. And then it ensures that the Filipino story is heard internationally through translation. Filipino authors and their stories are given a platform on the world stage. Their voices are heard by people from various cultures and backgrounds, increasing awareness and appreciation of Philippine literature. And then lastly, authors like Jose and Bautista exemplify the power of translation in literary and social change. Efsino Jose and Lualhati Bautista are just two examples of how translation can not only expand the reach of literature but also serve as a tool for social change. Their works have inspired readers worldwide to think critically about social justice, gender equality, and cultural identity. That would be all. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something from this lecture. Thank you for watching.